Hello, this is Thomas J. Linneman, author of Social Statistics, Managing Data, Conducting Analyses, Presenting Results. This is the SPSS demonstration for Chapter 5 on building confidence intervals. To get to this box, you go to Analyze. SPSS considers it a form of it's under descriptive statistics, and we've been here and here. Now we want to go into here where it says explore. So we go to explore. The variable for which we want to use the means for in order to build our confidence intervals is what goes in what's called the dependent list. So for this example, we're going to use the equality index. Now, I could just click OK now, but typically we want to build confidence intervals for various groups. So that's what I want to do in this example. So I'm going to use the recoded race variable called xy race. I'm going to put that in here. If you wanted to choose a particular confidence interval, whether that be 95 or 99%, you would go under statistics. And the default is 95, but you can change that to 99 if you would like. So we'll click continue there. And then it will give you a variety of kinds of plots, unless you tell it you don't want those. So I'm not going to have those. So I'm going to click just statistics. I just want the statistics. And now I'm going to click OK. Okay, it gives us lots of information, but within this information are our confidence intervals. So here we have the number of cases for each group, and then here is how this is set up. So here we have the results for whites, for blacks, and for others. And I am going to do a little cleaning up here. I'm just going to keep the mean, the confidence interval for the mean, and the standard deviation. Otherwise, this is really kind of bulky. So I'm going to click this, and it's going to open it up in a new window. And now I'm going to get rid of a few things that I don't want. Trying to be careful not to delete the wrong things here. Get rid of that. And I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to get rid of that, and those. There we go. So now I'm left with the mean, the confidence interval, the 95% confidence interval for the mean. Now notice it puts the lower bound and the upper bound. It doesn't do it kind of in a left to right kind of fashion. It puts one atop the other, which is fine. And then we have the standard deviation. As we see for the group of white respondents for whom we have 2,600 cases, the confidence interval for the equality concern index, the confidence interval around this mean is 11.99 to 12.31. It's a very tight confidence interval. It's a little bit wider for the other two groups, given that we have a smaller number of cases of those. So running a confidence interval is it's under Analyze, Descriptives, Explore. So it doesn't say confidence interval, but that is what we use to do that. And there you go. That is the end of this SPSS demonstration.